Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Julie, and by what you guys saw in the title, today we are doing this look right here. I saw this video on TikTok and the girl's makeup was just so good that I had to try it for myself. Like, I just had to. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I created this look or recreated this look, then just make sure you guys keep on watching. Hey guys, so by what you guys saw in the intro already, we are gonna be doing a like smoky and glossy look. I saw this look on TikTok. Actually, I'll show you guys. I can't show you guys because I'm currently filming in TikTok. I don't know if there's like a better way to do this, but whenever I'm filming TikToks and I have to, like, you know, do like a before and after my makeup, I don't use my phone. I don't know if it deletes it. Let me know if it does. I don't know. I'm new on TikTok pretty much, so I don't really know all that like draft and transitions and like all that. So yeah, help me. But I'll just put it somewhere on the screen, like right here. Her makeup looks so good. I saw this TikTok and I was like what the heck? Like, why don't I see this? Like, you know, I feel like not a lot of people do like glossy looks, like eyeshadows. So we are doing it. The gloss that I'm going to be using for that is going to be the Makeup First gloss. I love this gloss. I've used it for eyeshadow glossy looks at school before, but that was years ago, and never on myself. So yeah, her makeup is like purplish burgundy, and at first I didn't want to do that color because one, I didn't want to completely copy her, and two, I don't know, I just didn't want to copy her. I didn't want to like be like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, some people get mad, so like you never know. But I was looking for other eyeshadows that would look good with brown eyes, and I didn't want to do something smoky, like dark, so I am gonna do the same color. Her eyes are brown, and the look just looks, the colors, just everything looks so good on her eyes. So I mean, this should work fine on my eyes also. But okay, one second, I forgot to look for my eyeshadow, so I have to do that right now. If you guys could see, oh, actually, let me show you guys. Coco's just sitting there staring. What's up, Coco? Okay, well, the palette that we are going to be using today is the Modern Renaissance palette. I love this palette. Ever since the first time recent I got it, we've loved it. It's amazing. It's just so good. And for the colors, I am going to be using Love Letter, Venetian Red. So those like two, like, I don't know if it's burgundy, like purplish, pinkish burgundy. I'm pretty sure it's burgundy, but if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But yeah, these two colors right here. So let's go. Let's start. Honestly, I'm kind of nervous just because I don't know, I feel like usually smoky eyes don't look good on me. I don't know if I just don't know how to do a smoky eye, or they just really don't go with me, but we're gonna do it today. We're gonna get out of our comfort zone and just do it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a flat but somewhat fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna start packing in the color. And the color that I'm gonna go with first is gonna be, yeah, I think it is gonna be the deeper, like reddish, just like the deeper tone one, this one. And that's just gonna go all over our lid. Oh my God, I'm so scared. No, honestly, I'm just scared because ABH eyeshadows are so pigmented, and I feel like if I fuck up, it's just gonna not turn out good. But Okay, so I'm just packing in that color on my lid. I'm not blending anything. I'm literally just lightly packing it so I can get the most pigment. I'm doing that really gently also because I don't want, I don't have my face makeup done yet, but I just don't like fallout. I hate it. I feel like it just stains my skin. So we are trying to avoid that. Okay, now I don't know if it's gonna look cute, but we are gonna trust the process. Okay, I think I have a pretty good base. I should probably get you guys closer. 1 second. Okay, so close and personal. And the eyeshadow looks fine, but now I am just gonna, now I'm just gonna lightly buff the edges out. I'm not using a clean brush. I'm using the same one that I used to pack it on. And I'm not gonna try to bring it up. I'm just gonna try to diffuse the edges a little bit. Okay, well, now I feel like I lost a little bit of the color, so I'm just gonna go back in with the same brush and just pack in a little more. If you need it, if you don't, then like you obviously don't have to do this. I'm just doing it because I want it to just, you know, still be pigmented. Okay, now with the same brush, I don't think I'm gonna use the other color that I said I was gonna use. I think I'm just gonna go straight in with Warm Taupe or Taupe, this color right here, just so I can, like, you know, tone it down, just diffuse it a little more. Diffuse the edges. Okay, I think we are done. Honestly, this is it for the eyeshadow. So now I am gonna go ahead and, or should I do this last? Let me back you guys up a little because I feel kind of awkward. Okay, and honestly, I don't know if I should do this last or I should do this now. Actually, I think I should do it last because how are my eyelashes gonna stick if I have it like all over? Yeah, okay. This is the last step, so stay tuned. This is the last step, so stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera, and I'll be back after so we can finish my face makeup and then finish that eyeshadow look. So I'll be back. Okay guys, we are back with lashes on, and I am sorry, I actually don't know what lashes these are. I'm pretty sure they're Eyelure because I got them at Target this one time that I was looking for an eyelash glue, and I didn't have any eyelashes because my Betty B lashes were still not here. Anyways, I was gonna use the Insta Holo lashes, but I felt like they were too like dramatic and my eyeshadow wasn't really like popping, you know. I feel like this look is supposed to be more the eyeshadow than anything. So I decided to go with these. These are more simple and just kind of look like my lashes, honestly. I wish they were this long, but they're not. Okay, let's go ahead and keep going with my face makeup. So for foundation, I am gonna go back to my holy grail, the Infallible up to 24-hour Fresh Wear by L'Oreal foundation. You guys obviously know this is my favorite. I just love how natural looking it is, and it just feels so nice on your skin. It doesn't feel like you have heavy foundation on, so it's perfect. It literally blends so easy and it just looks so nice. And it's so affordable. It's literally like, what, $15? Like $15 for a foundation that looks like this? Come on, like, it's perfect. I'm honestly so hungry. I haven't had breakfast. I literally just had a cup of coffee. Plus I feel like I've been sitting here for a while because I straightened my hair before I started filming just so it didn't look so bad. I feel like every single time that I start filming or just film in general, my hair looks so ass. I literally have it in a ponytail, or which ponytails are bad for you if you didn't know. They make your hair fall out. And I'm pretty sure it like breaks your hair. So I kind of like wanted to stop doing that because like, bitch, my hair is already falling out. I do not, you know, like I don't have a lot of hair, but I also don't have a little bit of hair, so I don't want to ruin it. I have a good thing going on. Where's my concealer? Oh, I was like, where the hell is my concealer? Okay, lately I feel like I've been, is there like something that, I don't know, I feel like, oh my god, why am I rambling? I hate this. Anyways, like I was saying, I feel like lately when I've been blending out my concealer, I feel like I blend it out too much. I don't know if that's a thing, but I just feel like my beauty blender starts like picking it up instead of just like blending it out. So today I'm gonna try to not blend it out that much and just kind of like set it after. Hopefully it works, because I'm kind of tired of looking at my concealer and it being like kind of coming off. Like, it never happened before. That's why I'm thinking I'm like blending it too much, because lately I have been just kind of like going back in and blending it because my eye kind of creases from this eye only, and I kind of like go back and just blend and like I'm pretty sure after a lot of blending the sponge probably picks up your concealer instead of your product, instead of just blending it out. I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. I could be wrong, but I mean, I'll see when I finish this, because if it looks better, then it's definitely that. Okay, it does look a little better, so I think I was just blending it out a little too much, so I didn't even know that was a thing, that you could blend out that much. But whatever. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze, because come on now, we need some color. Okay, now blush. Okay guys, well, I am done with my face makeup. I just have to finish my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lash line, and I'm obviously gonna use the same color. So I think I'm just gonna use the same brush also. I don't think it'll, yeah, it's perfect. Okay, usually I feel like this eye looks better, but today it's definitely this one. This one just kind of fucked up, and well, I can't fix it now. Okay guys, so this is the eyeshadow. I don't think she's using a white liner, but I'm gonna use it because I love white liner on my bottom lash line. It just looks so good. Okay, yeah, it just makes it look brighter, prettier. I don't know, it's more me. Now let me just go ahead and do my bottom lashes. Okay, so now of course, so now the glossy part, the best part. I'm gonna use one of my brushes, the fuzz on this. One of my brushes, what are they called? Synthetic? Is it synthetic? I don't know. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand right here. I don't think I need that much. Where's the tapadera? And with the brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and glob it on. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Okay, I honestly, obviously it's gonna crease. I mean, it's gloss on your freaking eyelid. I don't know if she used gloss. I think there's like another product that you could use instead of gloss, so it's probably not as like, not as thick or like uncomfortable. This one isn't, but I'm just saying, I don't know what other, I don't know if you could probably use the same gloss you used like on your lips. I don't know. But I mean, you could try it out. Because like, fuck it. What's gonna happen? I honestly didn't think I would like it this much. Like on her, it looks so pretty. On her, it looks so good. I just didn't know if it was gonna look like that on me, and I mean, it definitely looks fire. Okay, it is done. I'll obviously show you guys a close-up once I'm done, but now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lips off camera, and then I'll be back and show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, I am back, and this is it for the tutorial. We are finally done. Okay, now I can finally take these off. Okay, let me take this camera off my tripod and show you guys closer. Okay, you guys can see way better. Okay, this light is still too... How does it look now? Okay. It's glossy, pretty, glossy, glossy, glossy. I love it. I love it. I didn't think I was gonna love it this much, but I am in love with it. It's amazing. It feels kind of... Okay, honestly, it doesn't feel bad because it's not a thick gloss. It's just a light like layer, but it does feel different just because I mean, you know, like it's kind of, it's wet. There's something there, and usually it's just dry. But I mean, it's not uncomfortable, and I mean, it looks pretty fucking bomb, so we love it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I honestly really like it. I hope you guys like it also, and I hope you guys try it out. This is gonna be it for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you guys enjoyed watching. All my social medias are gonna be down in the description box, like always. Thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.